Okay, gang, I'm going to make this a quick one because there are some good videos on YouTube. I returned the Zamfram and got something new. Now, this doesn't require a monitor. This, you can use your phone via Bluetooth to download, and it's breezy out here. So yeah, it's a nice day, but it's breezy. Anyway, this came boxed in a nice box from Amazon. Go figure. So that's one good sign. But this is the VIOFO motorcycle dash cam MT1 dual channel. This was the last one they had. It's now it's no longer currently not unavailable. So dual channel, 1080p, Sony Starvis sensor, wide angle, 170 degrees, which is better than the other one. Water resistant, Wi-Fi support, GPS logger. Let me get this stuff out because, like I said, there's already plenty of unboxing videos on the YouTube. So hold on one sec. Let me get everything opened up and spread out. Just a real quick note. This was on top, not in the box. I put it in the box, but it says important. Please format your memory card inside the dash camera before using. SanDisk Ultra card should not be used with any dash camera. Most dash camera issues are related to the memory card or power supply. So that's a pretty good notice there. Okay, so format your memory card inside the dash camera before using. All right, so sit tight. Let me get some more unboxing done. Hold on. Okay, again, this is not really an unboxing because, like I said, there's some good videos out there. But this is the VIOFO MT1 motorcycle dash camera. Not with the monitor, but just with this unit right here. It's designed to be used with your phone. Your phone is your monitor. Comes with a 32 gig micro SD, which is real nice. Here's the unit itself. All right. So that's nice. I bought some. Now this didn't come with it, but I bought these on Amazon for your splices. I've never used these before, so this is going to be a first. But one of the videos I saw on YouTube, they were using these to splice your accessory into a wire. All right, here's these look like metal. Hold on, I'll come back. No, sorry, they're plastic. I thought they were metal. But same kind of thing, and that base for that camera mount is bigger than the other one, I think. I thought they said they give you the option of metal or plastic. And here's something here. That's a nice. That looks for something for your SD card. So let me open up a camera. It's had good reviews online. So, and this, again, this is about the same price as the other one. Here's your cameras. You see this little directional arrow? That means that's the top part. That's when that's facing up, so is your camera image is facing up. Okay. So, real quick, yeah, that's it in a nutshell. There's a couple more camera mounts here. These might be metal, and these camera mounts feel metal with a little Allen key in there. There's another little mount here for maybe the unit. Here's your wiring harness. So I've read that installation is, I'm going to use the word easier. I'm not going to say simple because nothing is simple when it comes to motorcycles, especially mine. Everything's a challenge, but that's fine. That's one of the reasons I bought it. So I'll make this, I'll end this pretty quick here. Motorcycle dash cam, VIOFO, I guess that's the way you pronounce it. VIOFO, motorcycle dash cam, MT1. Like I said, there's plenty of videos out there. It comes with a little wire remote that has a little sticky on it, which is nice, so there's no Velcro for that. I got to figure out my layout, the wiring harness, zip ties, the GPS map locator, 2 cameras, the unit, and some mounting hardware, and the micro SD. adapter. Okay, and a bunch of little stickies and some Velcro stuff. So it looks pretty complete. All right, that's all that's going to be. I'll make that a part one. This will be the part one, and I'm going to figure out where I want to put all this stuff. Okay, so stay tuned. We want to get this working because I'm excited to use it on my phone. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. More to come.